Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. As you know that due to chilled weather, your school is remained closed, and we are here with revisional videos of all the subject to keep you updated for your outcoming examination. So, my dear students, as you know that in your previous class you had already learned about the concept of measurement and the words or that are used to measure anything. So students, in our early time, how can people measure anything, such as they use handspan, footspan, cubit, pace, etc. And I hope you all are familiar with these words. So now in this unit we are going to discuss about the unit of length, unit of capacity. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the unit of length. So let's come to the chapter. Welcome to the jungle school. Take the correct answer. So students, here look at this picture. This is a jungle school. Look here, all animals are studying here. Bear is a teacher, and here rabbit, squirrel, fox, monkey, elephant, giraffe, fox, everyone is studying here. So students, as you know that in measurement you are familiar with the word longer, heavier, smaller, lighter. So here in question first, this question is related to this picture, or this question are picture based. So question 1 is, who is taller? So look at all the animals. Who is taller, giraffe or fox? Yes, giraffe is taller. So you can take the giraffe. Next is, who has a longer tail? So students, look at the monkey. Monkey has a long tail. So here you will take monkey. This is deer. Deer has small tail. Now who is heavier, rabbit or elephant? So students, here we are going to compare rabbit and elephant. Who is heavier? Yes, elephant is heavier, so you will take the elephant. Now we are going to compare squirrel and monkey. So in both of them, who is smaller? Right. Sorry, squirrel is smaller. So you can take here squirrel. So this question is completed now. Now students, let's come to the first topic, that is measurement of length. So students, do you know how can we measure a length, or do you know about the unit of a length? Let me tell you. Mumbo has asked Bunny and Jumbo to measure the length of his tail. So students, here Mumbo asked Bunny and Jumbo to measure length of his tail. So students, Mumbo is a monkey and he asked Bunny and Jumbo to measure his tail. So students, when Bunny measured the length of Mumbo's tail, so its measurement is 8 paces long. And when Jumbo measured the Mumbo's tail, Then the length of bamboo's tail is 4 paces long. So students, here question arises, why did Bunny and Jumbo get different answers? Do you know? So students, in your previous class, you had studied about the word paces. Students, distance between 1 foot to second foot is pace. When you walk, if you walk one step, it means the distance between your 2 foot is called pace. So here, look at Bunny and Jumbo, whose foot are long? Bunny or Jumbo? Yes, Jumbo. So students, Bunny and Jumbo both have different size. So that's why here we get different answer. Now here we use fingers, handspan, cubits, feet and pace to measure length. When we use parts of our body to measure, measurements can vary. Since Bunny and Jumbo have different paces, they get different measurement. Therefore, we need different units to measure length. So students, here, if we use our body parts to measure anything, then measurement will be different. So we need different units to measure length. So here, unit of length is centimeter. So look at here. First of all, let's discuss about centimeter. So students, centimeter is a unit of length. We measure short lengths in centimeter. We can use a scale to measure short length. So students, this is scale and this scale is centimeter scale. So students, centimeter is unit of length and we measure short length by the help of centimeter. So this is a centimeter scale. Here only 50 centimeters are in small scale. So students, look here, from 0 to 1, here this is called 1 centimeter, and from 0 to 2 it's 2 centimeter, here 3 centimeter. So students, the short form of a centimeter is cm. The long marks on the scale are 1 centimeter apart. Okay, and here there are 10 thin lines between 0 to 1. Now students, reading the scale, marking. Do not see the reading from any slanting position. So students, when you use or while using scale, don't see the reading from any slanting position. See the above reading from the above mark. So this was about centimeter. Now let's come to the next unit, that is meter. So students, meter is a bigger unit of length and the short form of meter is m. Students, look at this finger. What is the measurement of this finger? Yes, this finger is about 1 centimeter. And now look at this picture from here to here. measurement will be is about 1 meter. It means meter is a bigger unit of length. We use meter to measure long length such as the length of a blackboard, a cupboard and a bed. So students, if you have to measure the length of your bed, blackboard or cupboard, so that time which measurement do you use? Do you use your centimeter scale? No, you will use meter to measure the length of blackboard, bed or cupboard. Okay, so meter is a bigger unit of length. So students, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So I hope you understood it. Now let's move on to our next topic. Students, we use a meter scale for a measuring tape to measure length. So like to measure any short thing, we use centimeter scale. So if we have to measure any long things, we use a meter scale or a measuring tape to measure length. Now students, let's come to the exercise 10.1 from this unit. Write the length of each object. So students, here you will write the length of each object by measuring centimeter scale. So students, here centimeter scale is already given here. So look here, the length of this paintbrush is 13. So you can write here 13 centimeter. Now the length of pencil is how many centimeter? Right, 10. And the length of crayon is 7 centimeter. And the length of eraser is 2 centimeter. So students, by this way you can measure length of any short things by the help of using centimeter scale. So this is centimeter scale. Now let's move on to question number B. Measure the length of each of the following with the correct box. So students, here you have to match the length of each of the following with the correct box. So here the length of a child, students, length of the child is more than a meter. That is already done here. Now second is length of a pencil. So length of a pencil is less than a meter. Okay. Now third, length of a comb will be less than a meter. And the length of bag, it is also less than a meter. And the length of a tree or this coconut tree is more than a meter. And the length of a car is also more than a meter. So this exercise, the question number A and B from this exercises is completed now. Let's move on to other questions. So students, look here. Question number C. What is the length of each? Color the correct box. So students, here You will color the correct box by finding the length of each object. So here this is a cricket bat. So what's the length of cricket bat is? About 1 centimeter or about 1 meter. So here about 1 meter is correct. So it is already colored here. Now in second, this is a art book. So students, what's the length of this book is? Right, about 18 centimeter. So you can color about 18 centimeter. Now this is keyboard. So do you know the length of keyboard? Right, you will color about 40 centimeter. Now next is bus. So the length of bus is about 5 meter. So you will color about 5 meter. Now the length of a door is about 2 meter. So you will color about 2 meter. At last, the length of a 20 rupee note will be 15 centimeter. So here you will color about 80 centimeter. So this exercise is completed now. Now let's come to the hot questions from this unit. The height of a tree is 6 centimeters. So students, this is a tree A and height of this tree is 6 meter. What do you think is the height of tree B? So students, this is tree B. So what is the length of tree B? Is it 3 meter or 3 centimeter? Right, 3 meter. You will take 3 meter. Now next is plant C. What is the height of plant C? Is it 20 meter or 20 centimeter? Right, 20 centimeter. Now plant D. Height of a plant D is 10 meter or about 10 centimeter. Right, 10 centimeter. So students, this exercise is completed now. In our next video, we will discuss about the next topic from this chapter, like measurement of capacity. Now students, do practice all the exercises from this chapter or this unit by using centimeter scale or by comparing any two objects. You can do the exercises of this unit. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.